So this is my 5S to my keto lifestyle thinking. And I want to focus on the fact that even though I've captured the weights there, and I'm quite pleased to say that within 16 weeks, and it felt really sort of, from a macro point of view, from what I ate, it felt easier than it should have done. And that, some people say that on keto, and sometimes I plateaued as well. But I put it down to the fact that I started off happy when I started the journey. I got rid of something that would have kiboshed it from the beginning, and that was my ability to eat the contents of a large lorry full of chocolate, and not the keto chocolate. I mean the bad chocolate. And once I realized my thinking around chocolate was down to the fact that I was eating, and you would call it comfort eating, and I had this insight that my eating chocolate was sort of a replacement for love. You know, the loss of love, either in a relationship or in loss of any kind. And that was part of my stuckness. And I'm so far removed from that, it's unbelievable. If people who have met me or know me now, so far removed. And the only thing I did was change my interaction and my relationship with my personal thinking, my conditioned thinking. And we'll come on to that in a bit as well.